Friday Workshop.
All right, what are we doing this week in the workshop?
This week in the workshop, we are talking about why you should wear a shop apron.
Yeah, so we don't always wear a shop apron, but quite a bit of the time we do. We love our shop aprons, and so let's give the top 5 reasons
For why you should wear one. So, here we go. All right. Number 1 is that it protects you from sawdust and spills. That when you're accidentally working with stuff, you spilled on you, like sawdust or metal, or like any spills that you're working with, like for example, mineral spirits, stains, any sort of finish that you're putting onto whatever project you're doing can get on you. And this shop apron protects your clothes and your body from getting spills on you yourself.
Number 2! The second thing about shop aprons is really they're convenient for tool storage. I have a lot of tools. I have pens, pencils, tongue depressors. I usually keep a tape measure here. You can put a lot of things in your shop apron. So tool storage is number 2.
Number 3 is it is helpful for safety. When you are woodworking and you have loose clothing, it can get caught on stuff when you're doing power tools, and we don't want that to happen. That's how you lose fingers, and that's how you tear up your clothes. You can't wear that shirt anymore that you really like. So it really helps with that and keep everything contained as it's nice and tight to the body.
Number 4, durability. So usually a shop apron is made of thick canvas, a thicker material. Its durability, if it's going to take a nick, if it's going to get paint on it, if it's going to do that, it's going to take that damage instead of your clothes. So the durability of a shop apron makes it nice. It's like wearing a thick jacket all the time that you can take off and it protects your stuff underneath.
Number 5 is that it makes you look like a woodworker. It makes you look like a professional. It makes it look like you know what you are doing. You look nice and contained, and yeah, you got all your tools, and people just look at you, and you look presentable.
Organization.
Yeah. Friday Workshop.
And those are the top
5 reasons why you want to wear a shop apron.
Yeah, I like this video.
Yeah,
this
think
is
it's
really
pretty
useful. Not everybody wears a shop apron, but we really like them.
Yep, and if you like this video, check out this one.
Like and subscribe!
Yeah!